Hello friends, in this video I am going to provide you words, okay, and these words will be useful only when you will leave a comment by using one of these words, okay, so that I can come to know how you are using these words in the sentences. And I am providing you all these words from my experience, ओके जो भी मैंने आज तक सीखा है फ्रॉम द आइल्स आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग यू ऑल दिस वर्ड्स माई एक्सपीरियंस आई एम शेयरिंग यू. So definitely I am pretty sure if you will use these words in your writing and speaking, then definitely you can score well. So today these words that I am going to provide you, these are going to be very helpful for you in your speaking and writing module. So if you have any other problem, okay, then you are most welcome, you can ask in the comment section, okay. So just learn new words daily and revise new words daily, okay. Revision of new words, that is very important, because when I have started learning these words, these were also tricky for me, but now these are very simple for me, as I just revise all the words daily. So definitely if you will do same, then you can score good, and you can use it on your daily basis in the writing and speaking module. So let's start the video now. So this vocabulary is especially related to environmental problems, okay. So if any essay you get in your task 2, then you can write these words, because according to the essay type you should use specific vocabulary. In every video I tell you this thing, okay. So according to topic you should use the vocabulary. So first word for today that I am going to give you, that is destruction, okay. Destruction means deforestation. You can use destruction of rainforest, okay. मीन्स के रेन फॉरेस्ट की कटाई हो रही है, उनकी डिफरेस्टेशन हो रही है, जो फॉरेस्ट हैं उनकी कटिंग हो रही है. यू कैन यूज़ इट इन अ सेंटेंस इन दिस वे: द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रेन फॉरेस्ट causes a lot of pollution problems. A lot of pollution problems, you can replace it with plethora of pollution problems, okay. So next word, you can use melting of ice caps. Yes, okay. Melting of ice caps means this is the result of high temperature due to global warming. This problem arises as it results in the melting of ice caps. Because of that, many other problems like floods that occur very soon, and citizens and individuals have to face plethora of other problems, okay. So next word that I am going to give you, that is एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ मैनी स्पीसीज. एक्सटिंक्शन मीन्स कि जो स्पीसीज अभी अलोप हो रही हैं, ओके. मीन्स के दैट आर एट द वर्च ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन, मीन्स इट इज़ द लॉस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी, ओके. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू, दैट इज़ depletion of ozone layer. Yes, depletion of ozone layer, this is one of the main problem due to high temperature of earth. Depletion of ozone layer, okay, due to chlorofluorocarbons, depletion of ozone layer occurs, and because of that ultraviolet radiations are coming to the earth, and it is causing so many chronic diseases, okay. So this is also a problem. Next word that I am going to give you, that is global warming. Already I have explained what is global warming. It is also known as greenhouse effect. The meaning of global warming is the rise in the environmental temperature, okay. So if the temperature of environment is increasing day by day, as now in India you can see in Punjab especially, the temperature is increasing day by day, and people are suffering from the hot days. Really it's very difficult for the people to survive, and for other creations. So it's difficult to survive in this environment. and mainly this global warming occurs due to chlorofluorocarbons and carbon emissions. Okay, this word carbon emissions you can also use carbon emissions from the vehicles, as the number of cars on the roads are increasing day by day, so that are automatically releasing smoke and many other chemicals like nitro compounds and sulfur compounds in the environment that are causing global warming. So next word that I am going to give you, that is rising sea level. Okay, rising sea level, that is mainly due to melting of ice caps. Next word, pollution of land, sea and air. Okay, so these words you can use together so that you can show the examiner you have range of variety of words. Okay, pollution of land, sea and air mainly is the main problem, major problem nowadays. So last word that I am going to give you, that is increase of natural disasters, for example earthquake, landslides and floods. This is also a natural problem but mainly related to environment. So if you like my video, then please press the like button, and you can ask your queries in that comment section from me. Okay, thank you.